Hey, what's going on, guys? Brandon here with Texas Revving with a bit of a different kind of video. Unboxing, of all things, a pretty cool piece of, I think, memorabilia, just kind of collectability thing. Impulsively purchased this. This is a Ford GT kit. So not to be mistaken, this has nothing to do with the new GTD, but makes me kind of excited. I hope Ford does something for the GTD applicants and all that stuff when buying a GTD like this. But in case you guys don't know, the Ford GT kit was something that Ford did for the people that were selected to buy the latest generation Ford GT, which was unveiled in 2015. So I think the first year model might have been 16 or 17, and it went all the way to 2022. And for the people that applied, got approved, and started purchasing the Ford GT, they sent this kit, which is like supposed to be helpful for deciding configuration between wheels and brake calipers and stripes and the paint swatch and all that kind of stuff. So kind of a helpful way to configure something. Even if you got like a Heritage Edition, they still got these kits in a really cool carbon fiber tub. So instead of talking about it, we can go ahead and start opening it. But the way I bought this is impulsively. I was on Bring a Trailer, which I just go on too much anyway, but never obviously buy anything. And I've seen some of these kits sell on Bring a Trailers, even some on eBay. But if I'm not mistaken, I think there's one kit per 4GT out there, unless I'm mistaken. And the people who got the 4GTs got a kit. And so what's happening is some people decide they want to separate them. Same thing is true with some of the Shelbys, GT350s, GT500s. When you buy them, they come with like cool little gifts, and sometimes they just don't stick with the car. People just sell them off separately or sell the car without the kits, and people, I don't know. But whatever the case is, sometimes they separate and people want to sell them. And when they do, initially when the car was hot, well, that's pretty cool. I just saw something right off the bat. We'll talk about that in a second. But yeah, initially I think in 2020 or 21, maybe 22, I saw some sell on Bring a Trailer for like, what was it, 8 grand, 8,100. I saw some on eBay recently listed for like 6, 7 grand. But on Bring a Trailer, they started coming down in more recent time. A lot of them have been selling for like 4,500 bucks. So I've seen a lot of them start selling for like $4,500, but they've been coming down since that. So I saw this one listed, saw it kind of impulsively, put a little reminder out there. I said if it's under 3,500 bucks, I'll snag it. No, I don't have the 4GT, but this is the closest I could get for now. So yeah, going along with that, first thing I see on top here is this. I've never seen this, pictures or anything. And this is where I have to think, that is cool. Someone named Dave. So I bought it, won the auction. I think I bought it for like 3,200 and change. And then Bring a Trailer has a fee on there that's like 250. So I'm under 3,500 bucks for it. So I think for this, not too bad. Just a cool collectible piece. But I bought it from what might have been the coolest person to buy this kit from. So Dave, won't say his last name for privacy reasons, but from Iconic Motorsport, that's the Bring a Trailer name anyway, does a lot of 4GT work for sure as far as storing it at his dealership and all that kind of stuff from when I take it. And so we were talking about just stuff like this enthusiastically, and he said he'd throw in an extra swatch in there. So this is that Golf livery, and that's cool. I've never seen a picture of that, so he just threw that in there. And as we're talking about it, when I bought it, he says, I have multiple of these. Do you want a particular livery? Do you want a particular Heritage Edition livery? And I have a sealed, unopened one. And I knew I was gonna open it regardless. Obviously, this is the unboxing video, so it didn't totally matter, but I got the sealed one, and we're gonna go ahead and open it anyway. Pretty cool. So first off, this envelope, I don't know if that's something he threw in there or if it came with the kits, but GT premium offerings. Oh, okay. I remember seeing some pictures of these too. So some watches that you could have got offered when you got a Ford GT to kind of match some of the GTs, some kits for the racetrack, all that kind of stuff. Things that got offered up to people who bought one, a resin, model, die-cast model of Ford GT, stuff like that. And a funny thing to note is I remember watching videos of people unboxing this back when they first started getting the kits in like January of 2017. So I was 18, 19 years old at the time, just thinking what a cool opportunity that would have been to be able to do that. And like I said, all these years later, still don't have the Ford GT, but this is a pretty cool thing to have. Check this out, Ford Performance, pretty cool box. Try not to ruin it. All right, so I'm gonna come around here. Got this little foam protector. Oh, dude, this is so surreal. It's been like 7 or 8 years I've been seeing stuff like this, but never seen this kit in person. My mom thinks I'm done for buying the kit. She says I need a 4GT to go with it, but I ain't making that cheddar yet, but maybe one day. Now that's cool. Now I don't care whether I have a 4GT or not. This is just a cool piece to have, just displayed when I get a cool garage one day and like, some kind of car condo or whatever. That's just something I'd have in like a man cave. But anyway, carbon fiber little tub here. It says GT design spec. And I think you could have put like your VIN or chassis number here if you wanted to do that. That's something that came with your 4GT, I believe. Anyway, like what? Press here. That seems heavy duty. And then what? Oh, dude, that's so nice. So then, I forgot it also has all the interior stuff too. Carbon series, so then it shows accent stitching, all kinds of stuff like that. Carbon fiber. Really good quality kind of samples here. For performance here. Launch control. All the different colors they called it at the time. Oh, the smell of this too. It smells interesting. Dark energy. Heritage edition. Very cool. Re-entry, kind of bronzy. And lastly, we got Lightspeed, like a dark blue Alcantara with some black leather, carbon fiber. Really cool. As far as the wheels, it's a gloss black wheel, and I wonder if there's a way you like pop this out. Oh, it's a magnet. See, that's why I kind of want to make a video on this. Initially, I was going to unbox it on my own, but for how much I've seen these, and no one really talked about how they work, but pretty cool. So yeah, little magnet held in here so you can match different brake caliper kits. We'll just pull them out as they are for now. So there's 2 per hole there. This is matte. I'm sure that's meant to look more like carbon fiber because I know there's carbon fiber wheels option, but I don't think in here. All right, let's go over some of these. Now this looks spotty, but I think that's just, as you can see, I'll just clean these a little bit later. Does it say the color on here? It does not. It looks like a almost Wimbledon white in a way with super dark blue stripes, maybe Kona blue. And I wonder if there's a way you could pop these off. Yeah, oh, there it is. Okay, I always wondered that. Yeah, so a little ledge there. They're kind of flexible. And so you can see without any stripes. And then clip it in here and then here. Very cool. All right, so you can mix and match all you want. This is almost like the Heritage with the number 2 on the side. Here's a maybe Oxford white, red stripes. Gonna run out of room here, but we'll just start putting it on the box. Silver with orange. For performance blue, maybe? Maybe not. Dark gray, red, yellow, and that should be all of them. Check that out. Super cool. And where did I put the other swatch? So this is the one, like I said, I've never seen. So that is just so freaking cool. So there's the whole kit there. Super, super cool. So Dave, if you happen to be watching, thanks for the hookup on that. That is super cool. He also asked for my shirt size, so he might be sending me some more goodies later, 4GT kind of goods, which would be just super nice of him. But what a cool guy to buy it from. So I've always wondered about this. As far as how all the stripes work, the wheels and stuff, because I heard it's just like a configuring kit, and just it's a different experience unboxing it as someone who just wants to collect this, you know, design spec box, because I think this in itself is a collectible piece. But yeah, I can only imagine getting allocated a 4GT back, you know, 7 years ago or so, and kind of going through this to decide, you know, color options and stuff like that. Now they're doing it again. This is only the second time they're doing an application process with the GTD. I'm so fortunate I got approved. So if they do something like this, I think that's so cool. But yeah, don't have the million bones to drop on a 4GT, but for now, this kind of collectible piece, whether I have a 4GT or not, I think it's just so cool to just sit on this and have it kind of displayed in some memorabilia stuff. Because as cool as it is now, I think as years go on and the 4GT's allure and all that stuff is respected, so will this kit. So if anyone has a 4GT and they separated with their kit and sold it, it's a mistake. I think they're pretty cool to have. So definitely glad to have this. Let's just make a real crazy one just for fun here. Blue, yellow, just because it's possible. Ford probably wouldn't tell you no. Actually, I don't dislike it. That's actually kind of cool. Okay, so what I'm taking away from this, I don't think there was a bad option out there. But yeah, I almost unboxed it on my own, and I thought I'd bring you guys along in case there's anyone out there curious on what the 7 or 8 year old kit is all about today. But yeah, that is for this video. Future content coming up. I'm going to do a general update on the Raptor R, just because a lot of people are still interested in that. I'm only at 8,000 miles on it, no big problems or nothing like that. So general update. And we're at 2 years with the GT500, so I'm going to do a 2-year update pretty soon here, just getting new tires soon, and we'll get back on that video. But that's it for the future videos. Any GTD news comes up, I will be sure to let you guys know, but that does it. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.